Welcome back to my YouTube Python YouTube channel, and in this video we will be learning about how to plot a stack or area plot in Python. So basically you can see that there is a plot uh, for the area plot. So you can see that basically it is a line plot, but we have plotted the area under the curve on the y-axis. So let's do it. Uh, how to plot this area plot. So for that we will import some libraries like numpy and matplotlib. So basically your numpy takes care of array and matplotlib uh, takes care of your plotting stuff. So now first of all, we will define quantity on x axis. So now give x equal to days, and days will be like your from Monday to Saturday, or like you can give like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this represent your weekdays number. And now in weekdays, like you have like so many routines, so like you want to work. So let's see like each day how much you are working. So you can give your hours number. So like 2 3 4 1 6 4. You can also like how much time, like, so now plot it simply a line plot. So plot days versus work, days on x and work on y axis. So I think there's like one missing. Yeah, so like it is a one less in number, so type some number, say 5. Now run it. So see, this is like our basic uh, line plot in Matplotlib. So you can see that there's no area under that curve. So when I will like add a stack, it will like show area under that line plot. So see here, it is like showing a blue shaded area under that curve. So in similar way, like you can like add more uh, add more plot on top of it. So like just like see like how many hours like you are sleeping on like in each weekdays. So like 8 9 4 6 8 4. And now uh, we will also plot it on a top of that. So type sleep and just run it. See, like you got a here like orange color showing your like sleep cycle on like every week uh, weekdays. Now let's see like how much like you are running on like every day. So like give 1 2 6 4 3 3 and 6. And now add your run variable in a stack plot. Now see it. Okay, so this you can see that we have like Monday to Sunday on that x-axis, and then like how much work you are doing every day, how much you are sleeping, how much you are running, and those things. Or like you can add one more, like how much time you are wasting per day. So waste equal to say 2 3 5 1 2 2 3 5 1 2 4, and then type here west, and you got your what is wrong, s6, oh, I need one more, then called it. See, now we have like four stacked area plot. Now you want to give a label to these things. So for that, you give L equal to, and label you can say work. This should be a string. So work, and then you go for sleep, then you go for running, then finally you go for time wasting. Now or here give labels equal to L, and we need to type a command plt dot legend the double dot. Okay, so see, you can see here like you got a nice picture of like which color represents which stuff. You can also give the location if you want. So location you can give from 0 to 10, or you can like just type best, so it will like do here, maybe just change the number, location say 2, so it will come here, location say 4, it will be at the bottom, 5 1 like 6 7 8 9. Okay, so like we got our best location of legend, and so this way like you can plot a stacked or like area plot in Python, or like you can also add command called percentage matplotlib widget. So basically this will like add interactive control to your Python plot. So like see, you got a button, so like you can also move the plot up and down. So take this and you can move your plot using that. You can go up and down like, and you can also make it bigger or smaller as per convenience. And also like you can, if you take a cursor on that plot, it will give your the xy value. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to get some insight about how to plot a stack or area plot in Python. So basically this is line plot, but it is showing the area under that area on the x-axis under that line plot. So this is my nice plot it is looking at. You can also like add label to this axis, so plt dot title and just type area or a stack plot. You can also x label, you can give say weekdays, and then plt dot y label, you can give routine, so y dot y label. Okay, so this way you can do it. So I hope you got some insight, and so thank you.